It's not being used anymore, so...
Well, true. But, yeah.
I don't think there's going to be any original graffiti.
No, it's a shame. At least there's not that much idiot graffiti.
Look, that's just...
Yeah.
I was going to put my business card on that, but look, it's just crumbling, man. This, I reckon in 20 years, this will be gone.
Probably, yeah.
Oh, look, that's just like...
Oh, more freaking than them bloody things. Look. I wouldn't. Oh my.
I found the you come in fast bit, so we're on the right track.
Freak that for a game of soldiers.
I'm actually shackled.
I'm not even scared of spiders, but yeah.
That is a big bugger. You come in fast. Oh, you came this way.
Why don't we go that way?
Because this is the way that we came. It's a good job. I thought you said you had a sense of direction, Aaron. You lied.
Well, yeah.
So, guys, if you want to subscribe to this guy, don't, because he hasn't got a sense of direction, clearly.
Yeah, I thought you was a man.
Fair enough.
What we should have done is actually.
I think we should go this way.
Yeah. We should have mapped it, but that's the whole point of having them.
Yeah.
Fellows avos. Ouch.
I am absolutely starving. I can eat a cave spider.
Well, it's plenty of them ugly things.
Yeah, look, the electricity box.
Yes.
Is that new brick they've added on top of that?
Probably.
That is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fresh. Plus a bit like the spiders above your head.
Hello.
And to your right.
Where?
There.
I actually can't see them. Oh, fuck! Jesus. Yeah, seriously, guys, if you don't like spiders...
Do not come in.
Do not. This is where I'm lost again. Oh, no, this way.
Well,
It doesn't matter, it all goes in the same direction.
well, yeah. Dinner.
Pretty nice.
Very nice. I4.
Very nice.
We haven't walked down I4.
Are we not?
No.
Oh, we haven't.
Whoop. Very nice.
I don't even know if I want to walk. Oh, we have to
Oh yes, here we go.
I'm not sure if I want to go down the bit that you went down.
Why? It's haunted.
Ah! It's all the same.
Well, yeah, but we still got to do
Yeah,
it.
but I'll go home and... Filming still.
No, I am filming. What about it?
I suppose if I go home and I'm like, oh, I'm done now, can I go back now? Oh, well, I wouldn't mind coming back here. Now I know exactly where it's located.
Where all the freaking spiders are.
I'm going to map out every spider where they're located and take who when it comes back. I can't exactly see.
H3.
Oh, we're back at the start.
Aha. Yeah, because you started at H2.
That is a nice brick.
And I started at C4.
C4?
Yes.
Carry
Carry on.
leaving, or you want to go down there?
Let's go.
You're not my dad.
Finish the job.
You're not my dad. Oh, helpful.
Haha.
Now you know you're on the golf course. Sorry, I can't. Ah! I didn't really finish. Throwing golf balls at me, though.
C4. Bang.
I think this is actually a pretty nice bench. That is still somewhat off. The concrete's coming off.
Whoops.
I just
I was trying to throw it down the junction so it would hit C4.
Clearly, if I go down these tunnels and you find my footage, I'm gay if you didn't know already.
Ooh.
What have they done with these benches?
Oh, if anyone down there with us, say hello.
Yeah, we probably hear it in audio terms.
That is what I heard.
Rustling.
Hmm. Sound more like footsteps to me.
Hello? Did you hear that? Is anyone down here?
Sorry.
Stop moving. I have to hear anything. Feel bad. I might get the sense we're not alone this time.
Hmm.
We need to do ghost hunting. It was October.
We're not even meant to be doing a ghost hunt, we're just exploring an air raid shelter.
Also, they backfilled that a bit longer. You can still get down that bit.
I walked that way, so maybe we should go that.
What was that? Did you hear a scream? What did you hear?
I had something. What the hell was that?
That's me moving.
Oh, I walked that way.
You walk that way?
Yeah,
Is that a washing machine?
I think so. Oh no, my light. Oh,
Is your light died?
the wife fell out.
Oh.
Freak's sake. Get back in the freaking hole. I should record on that price after all. Ow! Oh, shit.
That's it. Break what's already broken.
Yeah.
Hello?
What the hell was that?
What?
That-
Didn't hear that.
I bloody did.
Run towards me. Please don't. There's no spiders down there. Like, to light. Yes, there is.
There will be.
Original lighting. Nice. I reckon they were trying to restore this because it looks like there's some new wooden bits on here.
I found the hole.
Look,
Oh wow.
looks like they're trying to put it back to how it was maybe.
Well, hopefully.
It's going to be a lot of work.
Hmm.
But you've got to repair the broken concrete bits and sort out the wire. Look.
I've got 27 minutes of footage so far.
Oh,
Mad.
well, I'm going to have fun tomorrow. I'm telling you that now.
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, there it goes.
Maury.
Here it is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bit scary.
Hmm.
If you're still filming, I'm just putting flash on.
Yes, I'm still filming.
If you would,
On both. No.
I've literally, because I've got my baddie coming up, so I've uncovered me goodies fucking in. It's not eggs, Kev. What? Top of it.
Yep. The old style ring form. Brick.
Hey, weird brick. I like.
They're nice.
What's that? Did you bang or brush your bag against anything?
No.
I heard a.
Okay.
Oh, is that the bucket you saw?
Yeah. That's where I started in the creepy noises. Now there's the gate a bit. I'm just round this down here to where I heard the creepy bloody noise.
Why am I in the front?
Hey?
Why am I in the front?
You're shortest.
Cheers, man.
And the youngest.
No?
And the youngest.
You like him, young? I think it's not there. This bench is solid. Why are these not intact? Has someone come down here and broken, or have they just decayed?
A little bit smashed up to me.
Annoys me. I know they're not being used anymore, but something broken parts. That's a bit.
Hmm. That one's got a metal slab over it.
What's that?
That one's got a metal thing over it.
Yeah, that is what originally was on there.
Yeah. Pretty damn cool down there, I'd say. There's spiders down this part.
Yeah, I don't know what.
E2.
E2 excuse me. I might be able to find the further out bit, further to like closer to the car.
Lee, guess,
That might be controversial.
Axe, Matt. What? Really?
Is it tiniest down here?
Look at that tyre. Hang on. We're at D now.
Yeah, they're like so old now.
Yeah. It's all very cool to see them.
Huh?
It's why I like seeing this stuff.
Oh, who broke the toilets?
Oh man. That would have been such. What the fuck was that? What the hell was that?
Oh, it's walking, man.
I didn't hear that. Shh. Alright.
We'll find out.
Here we go down a creepy air raid shelter.
In a creepy dog walk. I'm trying not to break in the wood where it's
Oh.
That's how I roll with 2 feet.
Cool. J dog.
Huh?
It's more silent down this end. Oh, that's never a good sign.
We are in the Twilight Zone. Did you watch the Twilight Zone the movie?
Yeah.
You know Vic Morrow?
Hmm.
Do you know what happened with him? You know on the helicopter scene in the Vietnam bit?
Hmm.
You know he's dead?
Me?
You know the 2 children he was carrying? Vic Morrow and the male, he got decapitated by the helicopter propeller, and the child got crushed by the Vietnam helicopter as well.
Who are?
Yep, and who's the guy that filmed it?
Oh.
What? Oh. Just a little trivia for me.
Oh, I've a bricked up. Ah, hello. What's that? To
and Vic and M, ETC, I'm sitting here bunking 91. Love. Maybe you come down here to bunk school.
Come down and bunk off school.
Why would you want to come down here and bunk school?
Well, no one's going to look for you down here, are they?
How long do you reckon you had to sit
Oh
down
my
there?
god, it just goes on and on and on and on.
Toilet seat, it does go on.
Yeah, it does.
Hopefully we can find.
Oh wow, is that a hole, that toilet seat?
That's a lid that ain't been broken.
Ouch!
I'm going to turn this light off so I can just leave it just in case.
Oh,
Yeah, these ones ain't been broken. The original toilet lids.
how cool was that? Nice.
I've never found a base. I think the base was made out of wood as well.
So now that's different compared to the ones we saw in Gray's End, because they were on buckets and they were metal.
1989
Now this is a-
big, eh? That's what you wanted to see.
This is the wooden one now.
1989.
There we go.
Is that 1929?
Well, it's not original graffiti though, is it?
But it's still a gem nonetheless.
89.
2001
Yeah, we're getting there.
on the other side. This is 9mm 2001.
We're getting there. Still pretty
I
cool.
haven't.
Shout out to you guys here watching the videos.
What is that?
Wow, what the hell?
Ow.
Why is that on the wall?
I don't know why that's.
On Earth?
Maybe there was a sign on here and they moved it on there to protect something, to preserve the sign, but they ripped it off.
Yeah, possibly. I don't know. I believe this is where the bogs were anyway. I think it's in there.
Seating or bogs.
Yeah.
Because that's, you know, the tunnel we've done in Gravesend?
Hmm.
It's exactly the same. You know, the
Did-
box in the corner. Did you hear that whistle? I heard it.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know if it's haunted or not, but I'm not getting that vibe down there. I'm getting the vibe.
Well, no,
that-
it's
I'm getting the vibe that I'm being watched, but not.
bricked up entrance.
What was
The
that?
hell?
I didn't touch anything.
Okay then.
I didn't touch that.
Fred. It just goes. On forever, don't it?
Yeah, we're underneath the, now we're underneath the golf course.
Well, now we're at B4.
But this one's a whole lot cleaner.
It is, isn't it?
Can you see this? Is this like...
Oh,
pink?
wow, that's oh, bugger, what do you call it?
What are you talking about?
I'm trying to think what that is. Coming out of the wall, it's crystallised.
Light fixture?
No, that's mineral coming out of the wall.
Oh, sorry, water, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see how...
Well, it's stellacite, whatever you want to call it.
Look, I'm not going to pull it up, but you can see how there you go.
Yeah.
It looks like they've tried to preserve it, because this looks fairly clean.
It does, doesn't it? There's no spiders down this end, anyway.
It looks like they've jet washed some of it as well.
Yeah, possibly.
It would probably cost a lot of money.
I'm sure I've seen a video of this place before.
Oh,
I'm sure I have.
I've heard a couple of people that tried to get down there and they've been told off by the transport company. Maybe
Oh, there's another one, look.
trying to rewrite, because that's fading, maybe they're trying to...
It just keeps on going, doesn't it? Just
it'll
keeps
go
on
on
going.
and on until we reach the end.
It's insane. Another entrance.
I think we've gone on for at least a couple of miles. Maybe a bit longer. Maybe just think of North Farley, but depends on the miles.
Now we've got B1. God, it's still going, huh?
It's not going up a steep hill.
No, it's not.
And it's not going to still going.
Okay, so there's another one. Yep, another one of them strange bits of wood. Now we're at A3. There's another one of them bits of wood there. I'm just trying to work out what the hell that is.
Maybe they were going to put new signs on. Maybe they were starting to restore it and put new signs on the top.
Could be, yeah.
Oh.
Hmm.
It's a shame, because it's nice. They could have done like overnight stays there. Could you imagine how many people? Imagine how many legal raves. I don't know if they're pregnant. Someone's super clean.
What the hell?
Prick onto them.
Oh my days.
Oh, sugar. You're right.
Full over, don't
Yeah, look, there's another bit of that big there. All the stuff on it.
Oh wow. This just goes on forever. This is massive compared to Dover. Jesus Christ.
No signal, look, no service.
Well, on the ground. A3, A1 and A2.
Billy, I'm underground. Oh my god, we're underground, no service, please help me. I'm hungry.
37 minutes of video.
36?
36 minutes so
If
far.
we can leave out of this one, which we can't, might have a little look to see if we can get out of this one.
No, we can get out this way though. Oh, we're finally at the end.
Oh no, there's do you want to see if we can sneak through this bit?
We ain't gonna get through there, I don't think.
We're near the golf course as well. Where the fuck are we?
I don't know.
We are nowhere near the golf course. This comes out somewhere else.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Looks like we've got to walk back, fellas.
Um,
Yeah, we're going to have to walk all the way back to where we were. I can't remember exactly what the stop was.
H1 or H2?
Should have taken a picture.
And we're at A2.
Oh, fucking hell.
This is mental. I might be. Oh, Jesus. My back. My light has been crap at the moment. I can't see nothing with this light.
Some pits.
Huh?
Some bits look nicely cleaned up, and some bits.
Oh no. There we go. The dreaded spider's back.
Wait, hang on, stay there.
Oh, hello. Wait. Look at this little beauty. This little mothler.
It's a moth. I'm going to name him Mugwai.
That's a
Bye, Aaron.
He's alive. Don't leave me. I think hide around the corner, you little bugger.
Blast, he found me. Ah! I am not intentionally breaking stuff, so I've already broken something valuable.
Yes, you tit.
Don't see me. It was not intentional. It was intentional. Is that the word? Not intentional.
Was not intentional, no.
Was not intentional.
Trying to get a massive cobweb off my back.
Yeah, just a bit. Hang on. No, hang on. Yeah, 20 of the first.
First.
01.
Yeah.
2001.
Yeah.
So they tried to restore it back in 2001.
Yeah.
Well, they gave up pretty quick.
Yep.
Well, it was, what, 19 years? Because it's 9/11 is 20 years
Yep.
next year.
Yep.
I was 3 years older now. How old were you?
19.
Fucking hell. God, you're making me feel old. You entered as well.
No, the echo's not good enough like Moncton Flying.
Why is that light? They sprayed it.
Look at there. That's weird. Bizarre.
I'm getting a headache now, I'm hungry.
Yes, I'm dying of thirst.
McDonald's!
No, but I do require liquid
We're
refreshment.
not in McDonald's, I'm fat enough as it is.
I need a coffee or something.
Well, I can't see, but it's lovely.
Oh, wouldn't it?
AWC. Oh, it's. Yeah. Did we come this way? Was that?
Yeah, I think we did actually.
Oh, yes, we did.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, sorry, I broke it.
Oh, Jesus.
It was already breaking.
There's that weird squeak noise again.
It must be something to do with the walls.
Bananas.
I heard a definite whistle.
Yeah.
I hate when that's but it's cold.
Well, there's a freaking GoPro mount on my head to give me a freaking headache at the moment. Well, that's the general idea.
Fuck, what's that?
What was what?
I heard a voice going, it's over here. I've got this GoPro. Is it flashing red?
Mine's still recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, the iPhone's still recording. I haven't cut the
Is
bit. I
mine
haven't cut.
flashing red on the front? Oh no, it's because I've turned it
Yeah.
off. Just in case, if you get caught by security and they can't see that flashing, they think it's off. So I've turned it off.
Well, you can actually turn the LEDs off, can't you? So.
Yeah, that's what I've done. I don't know if I called it. I heard it with my own ears.
Well, I have not stopped recording yet. I've got a 41-minute video.
But I heard that clear as day.
Well, don't-
41?
41 minutes video.
Are you going to upload that?
Uncut.
Are you going to upload? Are you going to uncut that?
Well, we're walking back on ourselves, aren't we? But
I've got so much to edit now.
I'm glad I brought this with me actually to use the iPhone. I just need to find the freaking rechargeable batteries for midnight now.
I know you're like the only three people.
So if you've watched this far in the video, thanks for watching to this point in the video. This place is pretty damn amazing.
Well, it's
in my
not much
opinion.
to see.
It's still pretty cool. It's a bit of history. If you don't know what an air raid shower is, we're in an air raid shower. And you need to subscribe.
Why is there an oven brick? Unless they've done that to try and hold the top.
Possibly. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, me and Will do loads of dodgy stuff. We've gone to some mad places. We've done some really mental places. And we've done some pretty grim places.
Extremely retarded stuff.
And grim places.
Well, retarded, yeah, probably just me, but.
And we've got a shitload of outtakes. Another one.
Well, that's a bit contradicting.
Yeah, just a tad.
What's mine? That's started to unscrew itself.
What the hell? That's a bit strange.
It's just old, I reckon.
Yarp.
Yarp.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here you go, back at the start now.
Hey.
No, not.
Oh shite.
Right,
Oh sugar.
should we go out this way? It's open. We give ourselves a bit more of a challenge to get out.
I don't want to bang my head again.
I need to pee.
You really would.
And I don't want to pee in it because I don't want to be disrespectful.
Okay. Is it going to be a bit
I'll
down
go
easy?
first because you'll take longer than me.
Cheeky freaking sod. Anyway, we're back to our entrance, or a entrance, and we're going to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed it. Very nice.
Okay, when this camera decides to focus.
And I'm only down to 37% battery.
We come in, hey! Right,
Hey!
guys, so we are at one.
Awesome
We
place.
are at one of the exits.